Four more classic aircraft have rolled into the disassembly hangar here at BAS Part Sales. It shows just how diverse our shop floor can be. Now, none of these aircraft will ever fly again, but they will live on one piece at a time as we sell parts to the fleet all over the world. Check out what we're working on this week. Now, first up, we have a Maule MT-7-235. Now, this is a tri-gear super rocket known for hauling heavy loads on short trips. This one had a rough landing, so it's giving up its Lycoming engine, its Garmin and King avionics, it's got an S-Tech autopilot, Cleveland brakes, and all sorts of good parts. Now, you know if you fly a Maule that the good stuff won't even make it to the store shelf, so if you need something, get in touch in a hurry. Next, we have the Piper Malibu Meridian. This is a PA-46-500TP. It comes to us after the owner had an off-airport landing and he poured a ton of money into getting it back in the air. It just became a bottomless pit of project airplane. The PT-6A engine has 0 hours after the prop strike inspection. The original owner sold the aircraft to us because it was a never-ending project, and this is true of so many aircraft that show up in our shop. Now our mechanics will surgically disassemble this aircraft. The PT-6A engine is available, and it comes with a laundry list of great stuff. It's got dual Garmin 530s, it's got an Avidyne FlightMax, a WX500 Stormscope, and a long list of high-demand parts that will support PA-46 operations all over the world. If you need Malibu Meridian parts, get in touch. We've also got a Cessna 210A Centurion in the shop this week. Now, this is kind of a rare bird. It's what launched the Cessna 210 line, which became one of the most legendary line of aircraft ever assembled. This one had a gear failure, but it comes to us with a load of great equipment. The Continental IO470 engine, it's got a Garmin GNS-750, it's got a full G500 glass suite and a G5 as a backup. It's got lots of hard-to-find hardware like gear doors, wheels, brakes, and rods and visors. If you're looking for early Centurion parts, we've got them. And finally, the Mooney M20C Ranger. It's light, it's fast, it's efficient, and it's also here after a gear-up landing. Now, from the Aspen Max panels to the Garmin GTX 345, the GNS-530W, the PowerFlow exhaust, and the S-Tech autopilot, this Mooney M20C is a treasure chest for Mooney owners. Our mechanics are already in the teardown process, and we'll have parts available very soon. Every aircraft in our shop is far more than just salvage. We carefully disassemble each airplane, we surgically remove everything that we can save, and we provide those parts to the wider fleet all over the world. Everything you see here will be available for sale on our website, but you know the good stuff goes fast. So if you need something, call us now and let us help you get back in the air.